Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So inshallah today I will present my portfolio of 2023 and what I have done over this year. And okay, let's get to the next slide. First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Zaydan Firrizq, and I'm a future developer. So especially in web developer, and inshallah I will learn also for the iOS developer in the next years. Okay, so this is the list of contents that you will see on my presentation. So the first is I will tell about myself, and then I will tell about my skills and also projects what I've done, and then the experiences and the certificates, the proof that I'm worth, and then the last is my contact, so you can call me for the next informations. This is a picture of myself, and then yes, I am a 16 years old with a passion for all things that include in tech, and also I born in Jakarta and raised in Depok since 2011, and I've always been captivated by the world of software engineering. So currently I'm pursuing my career as a web developer or software engineer as a student in SMK Aiden Boarding School, Jungle. My journey is just begun here, so I hope you enjoy my portfolio and the things that I've done. So the next is the skills. I can do these things, but I think we should move to this so we can see the full images, because I don't know, it's like loading when I present it. So for front-end development, I use like a basic HTML, also CSS, Bootstrap, and Tailwind. And so for the Tailwind, there's a many library you can choose. And for the backend development, I use JavaScript. And currently, I learned about Golang, and also I've learned about Laravel, PHP, and also MySQL. And then for the mobile development, I use Kotlin for Android, and then I just learned Dart for further application. So let's back here. Okay. After these skills, I also like any other skills like talking, and also I'm sure that my English skills is very good for the university class or the works in the office, I mean. And then next is the projects that I've done. So in the beginning of 10th grade, I asked my friend, which joined in a designer class, to give the raw UI to that I can make the UI with bytecode, and then I use like HTML and CSS vanilla without any frameworks. And this is two of my projects. For the first is Orange UI. It's about like shopping delivery, or maybe like Go Mart, okay. And then the next is conference calling, just like Zoom or Google Meet or any other applications. And this is the QR that you can scan, and then it directly to move to other to the site that this site that show you my projects. And I also made the project for a competition. It's called FinTalk. I made this project with four my friends, four of my friends, and but currently this project has stopped because we couldn't afford to the next level. But it's okay. The FinTalk is a forum-based financial website, so that every FinTalk user can ask about their financial problem, and the other users will answer these problems. And here, take a look of the UI. So this is the UI I've made in Figma. So yeah, the title is FinTalk, and then maybe it's like it looks like Twitter, but yes, I took the inspiration from Twitter. And then this is the example of Paul Whitney that asking his financial problems, that how do he gather $10 in 5 months while his income is only 2,500 per month. So there is, we can see, and there's 22 answers and 5 verified answers. Okay, and then the next project is about Laravel's project. So yeah, I've started learn Laravel projects since the second semester of 10th grade, and then the Laravel is powered by it's using PHP, and then using the Bootstrap as the default frameworks of the CSS, and then also using HTML for the website. Next, this is one of my projects, and this is the flyer, and this is the screenshots. So I create my student for the data of the students, and it include a name, the number of students, and then the domiciles, and then also it's used for the absence. And then the next project is the API project. Okay, this actually the screenshots of Postman. I only why you not seeing like the UI or the front end, because I just create back end, and at that time this was my first time that I'm get into the back end. So now I'm pursuing my career as the back end developer. That's why I learned Golang. So in this project, it's called Timmy. Maybe it's just looks like the Twitter, because the user can text or giving image, and then the other users can replies, and then the other users can replies to the comments. So it was like very basic Twitter version of myself. So the next is there is a Check Ongkir website that took API from I forgot the website, but yeah, this is my projects at the end of the second semester 10th grade. And so as the name Check Ongkir, you can check the price of delivery of the package delivery using Laravel, and the API. Okay, so after a semester, I learned about Laravel. I create a book uh, titled Laravel Express. So this is the cover of the book, and it includes like over 100 pages. So the next is experiences. So this is the things that I've been through since the first semester of 10th grade. So yeah, uh, this is the 3 pictures in November 2022, and it was my first and second time I teach in when I SMK. So at the beginning of November 2022, I teach in Al Andalus. It was near here actually, and then following that, I teach in Depok with my other 3 friends. So this is the picture that when I teach in Depok, the school called Al Haraki SMA Al Haraki, which I was schooled in the elementary school of of Al Haraki. So yeah, I'm one of the alumni there. And then the next is the tech conference that I attend. So the first seminar was in Indosat. The title is Android Jam. So it talks about like many of them talk about Android. At the time I was nothing, so I could not understand what the speakers speak about, and yeah, I just took the photo, and the next 2 months I attending DevFest 2022 in that organized by GDG Bogor, and I also take a picture with the speakers. Here you can see there's four pictures. Yes, I mean 3. With these pictures is included 4 speakers. Okay. The next is I think my third conference. It was Keras Community Day 2023, was handled by GDG Bogor again in August 2023. So it was located at Google HQ. It was the most highlighted conference that I've attended, because Google HQ, who knows, it may be like my office letter. And yeah, these are the 4 speakers. So yes, that's all the things that I've been through, my experiences. And then for the last section, I will show you. Okay, I'm sorry. This is my third teaching. So it was handled in SMA UBK Plus Bogor. Well, after almost a year, I haven't been called for the teaching, and I asked one of my teachers to find me a school that he gave me this school. So thanks for the Mr. Benny. Okay, and next, yes, this is my the last section, certificates. I've completed the certificate from SoloLearn, Codepolitan, for the HTML and knowing computer programming in Codepolitan. And then the next, I've got my the basic JavaScript programming certificate. And then the next is another Codepolitan, and then another Codepolitan that learn how to use terminal, which is easy, and then how to use text editor, also easy, and then learn the basic of HTML, very easy. And the next is algorithm and the basic programming. That's all, and this is my contacts. You can find me in Instagram, in LinkedIn, Gmail. This is also my WhatsApp number, and then this is my GitHub. Okay, maybe that's all for my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.